Hey guys, Victor from Victor G Photography, and today I'm doing an unboxing, some backdrops that I got from katebackdrop.com, so check it out. Oh, I got a drink from my photography mug. People give me gifts. As a photographer, you're always gonna, get gifts from your friends and family because they think that it's cute, and they are cute. I've got a ton of mugs, especially ones that look like lenses. Anyways, let's go ahead and get into this. I ordered these from katebackdrop.com. These were different. What the hell? So apparently the one time that I tried to decide to record and some guy decides to use his leaf blower right outside of my window. So, okay, let's get back into this. This is some backdrops. I ordered 3 of them from katebackdrop.com. I had seen them online and messaged them to see about letting me get a couple from them. These ones are going to be a cloth style. From the website, there's a lot of different ones that you can get from them. What drew me to order from these ones is it's not the typical ones that you would find like on Amazon, where they are a like a cheap vinyl material that is printed on. This is actually a cloth that's printed on, so it gives you less wrinkles, and it also just I think the colors would probably just look a little bit better as far as hanging up and everything. They also sell canvas prints, or they the canvas hand painted ones that you can order from them. Of course, they're a little bit more expensive, but let's go ahead and check these ones out for us. So I ordered 3 of these. They're all going to be 5x7s, which, is fine by me. Obviously, they're going to come folded up. They're not going to be on a roll or anything, as you can see from the small box. Alright, so we've got the 3 listed right in here. What's interesting about here is that when I ordered these from katebackdrop.com, I got an email confirmation from a thing called Fanny Background, which is kind of a funny name. But anyways, these are all made in China. I can already tell that these are definitely a cloth, almost like a terry cloth kind of style. You've seen a lot of different people or photographers use them. Like if you know who Irene Rudnick is, she uses these backdrops as well. Material wise, yeah, one side it's nice, it feels very cottony and smooth. The other side is kind of like a harder, like stone texture. Let's see if I can unravel this and then I'll show you the big one. This one is the silver gray one, and then I have like a green silver one and then like a brown one. I just wanted a good combo. So like I said, these are 5x7s. Let me go ahead and stand up and do this. Get out of the way, chair. How's it look? Does it look good? Does it have wrinkles? Yeah, it definitely has the creases in it. I would probably say if you're going to use these, maybe do it from the, iron it from the back just so that it doesn't burn the front, because I don't know what type of material the front is, and it probably is not very heat resistant. You have the color test right here that they have on, usually for printing paper. What is cool is that it does have a sewn slot right here that you can stick an extension pole in, so that's actually pretty good. You're able to just to feed it on there, or you can probably just tape it onto a wall. Let's see, what else does this say on the back? It says Kate, and then gives you some information. So I don't know what these ones is. I know the little iron, that means you can iron it. P, I don't know. It says wash with warm water, do not bleach, low temperature iron, compatible with any dry cleaning methods. So I'm pretty excited about it. How's it look? Next thing we got to do is just figure out a shoot with it. So I'm going to probably plan a shoot very soon, and just to be able to test it out. So the 5x7, the one that I ordered for all of these ones, these will cost about, I think it was $40. Which is really good. You can get ones that are smaller for like $20, and then they go up to like 8x20, and you're going to be spending, double the price, so $80 to $100. As far as quality wise, it looks pretty good. I mean, you have little fuzzies that are going to be coming off, of course. How am I going to do this? Because I don't want to fold it and then have to iron it every time. I think what I'm probably going to do is just get a PVC pipe and roll it on there or something so that it stays nice and straight without getting the hard wrinkles, and then just hang it up on the holder right here whenever I use it. So yeah, well, that's it. KateBackdrop.com. Check them out, and I will see about posting a video with me using it and the quality of them soon. So see you guys later. Do you know what, on second thought, instead of ending it right there, I'm going to actually show you the other ones just so that you can get an idea. This number is, so you can just kind of get a reference if you want to check them out online, J04356D. I don't know if you, but I'll go ahead and do that one. And then this one is, does not say, it's or some ridiculously long one, which, okay, so let me show you the green silver one. There is this one. Man, that is dirty. Alright. How's that one look on camera? And then let me open this one. This one is J0, wait, is that the same number? Nope. J04371D. Slightly different number. Alright, let me see this one. How's this one look? Man, these just look like they're just one straight color. What the hell? I'll show you the links in the website below so you can kind of see what it's supposed to look like on the site, but kind of just look just like all one color. So we'll see you in a photo shoot. All right, real quick, I just wanted to add that I got to test out the backdrops, a few different things that came up. So for the creases and the wrinkles, the easiest way I found to get rid of them, I just threw them in the dryer. Just for, I put it on really low heat, and then I just let it tumble for about 15-20 minutes. I took them out and all the creases and everything were completely gone. And then after that, I just rolled them up instead of folded them. I think that's going to be the best way for you to be able to store them without getting them creased and having to do that every time. Also, the hole or the slot that you can put a pole in for your backdrops, very small. I actually was not able to get a pole in there, or at least my extension pole in there at all. So I'm a little bummed about that, but if you've got some clips, you just clip them onto your light stand and then stretch them out accordingly. Overall, they're really good. I got to test them out. I'm going to try to see about making a video of a shoot with them very soon, but I definitely recommend them. Great brand, great product. Check them out on the website and the links below. Other than that, if you guys have any questions or comments, leave them down below, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.